Hi, good day. M6372. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Clarissa Huyat, 30 years old. My religion is Catholic. I am single mother and I have two kids, 13-year-old girl and 10-year-old boy. And I'm a high school graduate and have a domestic work experience here in Philippines. I serve a family of three, two adults and one baby until she turned three. And my duties and responsibilities are general cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and sometimes cook because my employer is both working.
Okay, so you're taking care of a newborn baby to toddler. So it is okay to you to take care of a newborn, right?
Yes,
And also you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby.
yes.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is a nice place and have a nice culture, and have a high salary that helps my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 or more years, and it depends on my employer.
So it is okay to you to be extended your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No.
But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, I'm
And
willing.
how will you learn to cook?
Through YouTube and Facebook and recipe book.
Okay. Tell me, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I am hardworking, loyal, and patient, and um, flexible in work. And if you choose me as your domestic helper, I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and finish my contract. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Clarissa. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.